someone is coming. Raed is coming. Okay, so let me scroll down and let's complete. Wait. Let me zoom the page out. No, this is level 3. Okay. Okay, exactly. So this is it. I think, guys, as I said, the question tag is really important. You have to use it, especially in conversation, for the conversation to last long. This is the end of Unit 7. Now it's the time to start discussing Unit 8. Now, Unit 8, guys, is talking about girls and boys. Before, absolutely, we have to discuss have to, don't have to, should, must, modal verbs, things to wear at the doctors. This unit is really important. You have to be careful. Before we start, let me ask you some questions or a question for all of you. And the question is saying, which of these things do you think boys do better than girls? And vice versa. We have cooking, maths, sports, driving, making conversation, learning foreign languages, playing computer games, talking about feelings. Let me ask, Jamila, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So, which of these things do you think boys do better than girls, or maybe girls do better than boys?
I think sports and driving, it's a thing who the boys
Okay.
practice more better than the girls.
Uh-huh.
Uh, and playing computer games.
Uh-huh.
For girls, I think the girls uh, can talking about her feelings and they can learning foreign language and making for conversation better than the boys.
So making conversation for girls.
Yes, yes, and talking about feelings,
Mm,
but
okay.
cooking and maths in between.
Okay, so boys,
50% for
okay, and girls. Okay,
okay,
what about cooking?
just and boys and girls.
Boys and girls. Okay,
Everyone can cook in her private way.
mhm. Okay, what about learning foreign languages?
I say before learning foreign language for girls.
For girls. So girls are better than boys
Yeah,
at learning foreign language. How can I read this word, Jamila?
والدليل يا أستاذ إنه نحن كلنا
Yes,
بنات
you
في شاب
are.
واحد.
Yes, I know. Uh, how can I read this word?
Foreign,
Foreign. Foreign.
foreign يعني many.
Yes. No, foreign is something strange.
شو يعني؟
Something strange. Okay, Jamila?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Jamila, I want to ask you a question. Why do you think that boys are better than girls at driving? Can you hear me, Jamila?
Yes, I can.
So,
ما بعرف يعني هلا هو driving يعني actually the percentage for the accident إنه دايما بيكونوا البويز هن اللي عم يعملوها
what?
but إنه
In English, please.
يا الله the person
The percentage.
Yes, no. The person who's
the
make
person.
accident in car, they the most one it's the boys. For these they ما بعرف.
Okay, Jamila, wait. What is the percentage for girls? 60%, 70%, 75?
No, 40%
40%?
or 30.
30% about accidents for girls or for
Yes,
boys?
about accidents for girls.
Okay, thank you so much, Jamila.
Welcome.
Now I think I have to ask Maisa. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Maisa, what do you think? Which of these things do you think boys do better than girls and vice versa?
I'm with Jamila.
Okay, can you please tell me because I want to label them.
طيب
about
اوكي.
What about cooking?
Cooking خلينا نقول for boys.
Okay. Math.
Math الاثنين two both.
Both of them. Okay.
Yeah.
Boys and girls. What about sports?
كمان both of them.
Boys and girls. Driving
Boys.
for boys. Making conversations.
أكيد girls.
Okay. What about learning foreign languages?
كمان both.
Both of them. Okay. What about playing computer games?
Boys.
Boys are looking for violence. Okay. What about talking about feelings?
Girls.
Boys don't talk. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Mesa. But let me ask you this question. I think the most professional cook, or let me say cooks, are moms.
But the chef.
Yeah, exactly.
Boy.
Okay. Why do you think, let me ask you this question myself. Can boys express their feelings?
He can, but he don't. He didn't.
We are talking in general, so you have to use the simple present. Okay, boys don't.
He don't, yeah. Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Why,
He don't.
Jamil? Is it because they don't know how to express their feelings, or maybe they feel that it's something wrong, just like as weakness to express the feelings?
سؤال رائد.
Come on, I'm asking you, please. Okay, Maisa, wait. What if I want to express my feelings in front of you, for example? What is that impression you will have from me? Am I a weak person? Am I a weak boy if I want to express my feelings?
أكيد no.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Maisa.
Thank you.
Let me ask Raed, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So what do you think, Raed? Which of these things do you think boys do better than girls and vice versa?
Cooking, boys.
Boys.
Math,
girls. Okay.
Sports, girl and boy. Both of them.
Okay, both of them. Or let me write both. Okay. What about driving?
Driving, boy, of course.
Boys, of course. Okay.
Making conversation, both of them.
Both. Learning foreign languages.
Girls.
Girls. You are learning English, please, Raed. Okay. Playing computer games.
Boys.
Boys. Talking about feelings.
Girls.
Girls. Okay. Raed, you said, of course, boys are better than girls at driving. Why? Why, of
Yes.
course?
Because girls should look at the mirror in the car.
So they don't look while they are driving.
Yes.
والله شو
Oh, okay. Oh, please, girls, you have to look at the mirror while driving. Okay. You said, Raed, that girls are really better at maths. Are you good at math?
Yes, but I think because girls studying better than boy.
Okay. This is why you said maths, learning foreign languages for girls.
Yes.
Okay. And let me tell you, Raed, that the best cooks are moms. Do you agree with me?
Yes, but the most famous chef in the world are
We are talking about one person. It's only one person, guys. I think we are neglecting now all the mothers all over the world. Okay, by the way, it's your opinion, but I want just to
yes.
make a short conversation.
Yes, and because I cook better than girls,
Okay.
and I'm a boy.
Thank you so much, Raed.
No
Now
teacher, you are sure.
I'm sure about what?
أنا عتنة
Oh yeah,
في
please.
الكوكينج خلاص girls.
Come on, don't forget about your moms. Your
Yes.
moms, guys, are taking care of you daily concerning food. If you're sick, for example, please. Okay. Hiba, can you hear me? Hiba is missing. Ryan,
Yes, Mr.
what do you think? Can you please tell me the things
Yes.
that boys or girls are good at more than
Cooking for
cooking?
girls only.
Okay,
Math for boys.
for boys,
Sports, both of them.
both. Okay,
Driving, also both of them.
both. Okay,
Make a conversation for girls.
for girls. Okay,
Learning language for girls.
learning foreign languages for girls.
Yes. Playing computers for boys.
Playing computer games for boys.
Yes. And talking about feelings for girls.
For girls. Okay. Okay. Ryan, if you notice that Raed said the best chefs in the world are boys, are men. Do you agree with him?
No,
Why?
because in the first, the cooking is for the girls by instinct. You see the girl when she was little and baby girl, she likes the cooking, playing with the games.
Mm.
Yes, and um
Mhm.
yes, like the Barbie and fixes the hairs.
Mhm.
Yes,
But wait, Ryan, we can notice these days that little girls are really addicted to play computer games.
little what?
We can notice these days that the little girls are really
Yes,
addicted
yes, yes.
to
And
playing.
open live on TikTok.
Yeah, it's not. This is
Some girls
something.
playing game, but they're very good and better than the boys, to be
Yeah,
honest.
we are only talking about playing computer games, not
Yes.
listening to music or maybe using TikTok or something
No.
like that. Okay. Ryan, are you good at maths?
Yes,
So why did you say that boys are
because
Uh-huh.
in my opinion, I see the boys like the engineering and the physics and the
Mm.
math, and they doesn't like the science,
They,
the history,
uh,
the geography. Yes.
okay. Don't use the article the with subjects like history, math, chemistry, okay?
Okay.
Don't use articles with them. Don't use a, an, or the. I cannot say for example, the Spanish or something like that. Spanish, okay? And I cannot say the chemistry, for example. So please try to use them without articles, without a, an, or maybe the. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
How can I read this word, Ryan?
Opinion.
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 Okay? In my opinion, I suggest, I suppose, I think,
Yes.
okay?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. So guys, this is the introduction or the beginning of Unit 8. We haven't finished yet. Absolutely, it's the beginning. But I have to say that we have to complete the next class because there is a recording about a girl we have to listen to, and we have some questions. These questions need to be solved. So I think that we have to do it the next class. So let me ask you if you have any questions, you can ask me before leaving. Do you have any questions?
Mr.
Yes, Ryan.
When we will finish this level, inshallah.
Holy God, we need at least 2 months. At least.
What?
Yes, this is level 4, not like level 3 to 1.
Oh my God.
Don't forget that at least, Ryan, we need 32 hours to finish this level. Okay? I know that in level 1, you finished level 1 in only 18 hours, plus level 2, level 3. Maybe we finished discussing level 3 in only 20 hours, but level 4, everything is going to be different. Level 4 is really a huge curriculum. You have to be careful, okay?
Okay,
Okay.
Mr.
So if
Thank
you
you,
have,
teacher.
okay, I have to thank you so much. Let me wish a good night for you. Thank you so much.
تيتشر بخصوص الهوم وورك
Yes, my son.
ايه فينا عن هيدا الفيمس اللي بدنا نحكي عنه نجيبها من جوجل لانه انا جبتها من
Yeah,
جوجل اوكي
yeah. It's not, you must to talk about someone you know, Maisa. You can use your
ايه ما
imagination.
كمل هيك
Yeah, you can use Google just to search about someone you love, maybe. A famous person you
يعني
love, you
عملته
like.
صح بس عم بتأكد ثانك يو
No, yes. Okay, by the way, guys, we are going to check the homework the next class.
اوكي
Thank you so much. Have a nice night.
have a nice night
Bye, 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 bye.